Well, these walking tours will introduce people to actual facts. I'm a facts person. I'm not going to tell you something that I heard from somebody, whatever. And that's the problem with our black history on a local basis. All right. Okay, well, I'm going to start the tour. We're going to go out of here and we're going to walk up to Centennial. Okay, we're going to gather right around in here. So I can bring them down here and I can show them what it was like when these things were on this street. That used to be Washington Street. Washington Street went all the way over by the depot. When they put Centennial Street in here, all of a sudden it became the dividing line between the races. Black people could have controlled High Point way back when because all the utilities were in our community. The gas company, the water company, everything. It's amazing. Let's talk about this house over here. It's so important. That house rivaled anything in Emerywood when it was built. Dr. Whitten, he built this building. It's called Whitten Clinic. One time we had 5 black doctors, 2 dentists, and an attorney practicing on the street within 4 blocks, all making a living. And we don't have one now. And he used his money to have it graded and set up tennis courts so blacks can learn how to play tennis. And put up lights so people can come from Greensboro and Winston-Salem and compete against each other. Isn't that something? Right here on the street, Booker T. Washington. Yeah, Booker T. came here. The Quakers recruited Booker T. Washington to find a colored principal for High Point Normal and Industrial Institute. And for you people that don't know, it's later became William Penn. Church life back then was something that you didn't mess with. It was number one. You know, your life was centered around the church, your activities. Before they lowered the train tracks, can you imagine going up through here and that train's over there on that side? A lot of people got killed. The first black hotel was not the Kilby Hotel. It was the Hinton Hotel, right there beside the Ritz Theater. But the thing is, that's what history is all about. You make it grow or you take away from it. But the thing is, you put it out there. And hopefully a tour like this will make a difference. Oh, thank you, I appreciate it.